Welcome to Mikayla Cooks Stuff. It's kind of like Kevin Cooks Stuff in The Office, but it's better. I am trying out this bubble tea gift set. Let's try it out.
This bubble tea kit comes with 3 milk tea bags, 1 bag of tapioca pearls, a cute glass with a smiley face on it, and a wide stainless steel straw. That's a pretty good bundle. I then poured 2 cups of water into a large pot and brought it to a boil.
These are the tapioca pearls that I have to put into this boiling water, and they'll cook, and hopefully they won't make the house smell bad. All of you go in. All of you go in! So it's been about 20 minutes, and I don't know. It just looks gross. I just hope it's coming out right.
Later.
Okay, so I got the tapioca marinating now. It looks so good. And here we have the finished product. I'm about to try this. That is actually really good. It tastes like something you get in a tapioca or bubble tea or boba shop thing. Highly suggest this. It's really good. Well, that'll be it for today's Mikayla Cooks Stuff. Glad you were able to come to the kitchen. Sure to subscribe and like and tap that bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video, and I'll see you all next time. Stay joyful, bye!